Hello everyone. So today we will discuss about contour lines. Contour lines are the lines which define shape and depth of an object. So let's see how can these lines help us to make a 2D shape into 3D. I am showing a cone and its contour lines here. So here these are the parallel contour lines, and which should be either parallel to the sides or parallel to the top and bottom of the basic shape. Here I am drawing lines parallel to the sides of this cone. So one side of the cone is curvy and one is pointy. So from pointy edge we need to start the lines and it should end to the bottom. Now we'll see how to draw lines parallel from the bottom to the top of the cone. Because top of the cone is pointed edge, so we'll follow the bottom curve, and I am drawing the parallel lines to the bottom of the cone. So same way we'll do for cylinder by using sides and bottom. This cylinder I am showing the bottom and top. We'll follow the bottom and top of the cylinder and draw the parallel lines. This is one way for drawing a cylinder or making a 2D cylinder into 3D. It's not completely 100% 3D, but we can make it into 50% 3D. Quick sketching we can do. So in this cylinder we'll follow the right and left sides to draw the parallel lines, so the lines will be vertical. Top area also we are following the same vertical lines. When we apply vertical and horizontal lines together, both lines will cross each other, which is called cross contour lines. So that also I'll show you how to do it. These lines will help us to do a quick sketchings with 3D effect. So we'll make a sphere from circle by using parallel and cross contour lines. So first we need to find a center point of the circle, like that dot I made. From that dot we need to draw this parallel contour lines. In this sphere I am making vertical lines. So same way we can apply these lines like horizontal contour lines. So we'll see in the next circle, next sphere, how to make it into horizontal contour lines. This one you can see it came out like a basketball. This circle we can apply horizontal lines. So top and bottom we need to follow. We'll see how to do that. These are the two ways. We'll try one more circle and make it into sphere, like a globe kind of thing. So where the horizontal and vertical lines will meet together, and that will be the cross contour lines, and we will get a globe kind of object. So now we are going to combine these two parallel and horizontal and vertical lines together in this circle. Practice these techniques at home and be ready for the next session. So in next session we'll learn how to do sketching and shading with lines. Now I am crossing that vertical lines with horizontal line. So you can see how these lines are changing that object's look. From a basketball it's changed into a globe. So this is how we need to apply these contour lines, and it's very useful for doing sketching and shading part as